Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is February 24th. We've got the grain markets on the defensive today. Corn and wheat down about 3.5 for corn, 3 3/4 lower for wheat. Finding some producers selling mostly for corn. Taking a break after finding a bit of a jump here over the last week and a half. But we are finding some producers selling at these levels, and that's what's giving us a little pressure today. But the beans, a different story. Beans are up 13 3/4 cents right now. Strong demand since we haven't seen any cancellations yet. You got everyone still talking that we might. We just haven't seen it yet. So demand has been coming in. You've got the funds that continue to extend their long position. And the CFTC report out on Friday showed that managed funds bought another 19,000. So very strong yet for beans. There's concern still with just this tight old crop stocks right now, and that's what's keeping the funds here on the long side of that market. Concerns for Brazilian weather. 70% coverage is what they're getting right now across their growing regions, but also 70% coming in the next few days as well. So they are going to be getting some rains. We're going to be seeing some relief there. So if you're going to look at the weather portion of this, it is still negative. What's going to stop these funds, though? We've seen a lot of money flow coming in and certainly pushing these beans to the points that we're at. Some of the concerns in South America, there's talks that 2/3 of the growing regions for coffee still stressed. Also, half of the growing region for sugar. So these markets are going to continue to be affected by this weather or lack thereof rain. So we'll see. These are still stories that are coming out. So when you hear dry areas and Brazil is dry, well, a lot of those are coffee and sugar areas. You know, their bean and their growing region there for soybeans is going to be getting 70% coverage here today. Also, in the next few days, going to be getting some rain as well. So we'll see. We've got to watch this 8 o'clock time frame. What kind of cancellations are we going to get, if any? That's what guys will be watching. It seems that's what the market is still trying to still waiting for. So we'll take a look there. And as far as corn and wheat, probably going to see that pull back a little bit more if we continue to see some farmers selling. Looking at livestock, though, we had a cattle on feed report out on Friday, and we'd seen some pretty big placement numbers there. And really, after breaking it down, it's a little negative, I guess, up front, but you've got mostly the summer months is where we may get some pressure. Calls right now, about 25 lower for April, maybe 50 lower here for the summer months on out. So we'll see if that does continue. But boxed beef has been very strong. Friday coming out, choice down 57 cents, select down 48. So taking just a little bit of a break, but still very strong overall. As far as hogs, cutout values have been just screaming higher. And up another 35 cents there on Friday. You got the bids and asks right now, though, coming in on the hogs, maybe just slightly lower. But overall, looking for more of a steady open for the hogs. Some of the outside markets right now, stock market is up about 30 points. You've got, or at least stock futures are. Gold's up $7, silver up 24 cents. And we got the dollar right now steady to just slightly higher. So we'll see if that has anything to do with it this week. What we've seen in the past, a lot of money flow as that dollar was breaking. We had seen money come into commodities in general. Will this be another week that we see that? But feel free, stay tuned with us. Give us a call. We're here to help you out. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or check us out right on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today. Talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.